Hi guys, so now we're preparing going to Cebu kasi bukas na yung flight namin. So ayan, ayun na yung malata namin, naka-ready na siya. And then si Bibi Ziki, naka-ready na din si Bibi Ziki. And si Lizelle. Ayan. So pa Cebu kami ngayon guys kasi early in the morning yung flight namin papuntang Hong Kong bukas. So see you later. To Banalad. It's going to Hong Kong, but first we need to pass the immigration. Hi Ziki. Hello. Hey guys, so we have passed the immigration, so let's go. Ngiting tagumpay si Ziki kaya nakapasa. Hi airplane! Guys, so we're going now to airplane! Yay! Go! Hi!
由锂電池或充電器供電。
Happy?
Happy, happy, happy.
Hey, Ziggy's on the plane.
Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific, a member of Value Alliance.
So we are now here in Hong Kong. Going to Kowloon. Okay. Hi guys, so we are now here at Tongchon. Elevator, and this is the button. So dito mo siya ipipindot sa books para mag-ano yung elevator. Yan o. Yan. So na-open na siya kasi pupunta kung saan. So that's the Legoland.
Adoy, nasa ka?
Guys, open siya. Okay, so we are now here at Jordan Road. Bibilhin dito sa gilid oh. Sobrang ganda.
Street food sa
Street
Hong Kong.
foods.